Hi everyone, so here I am back with some dinner ideas, especially if you have picky eaters or if you are on the keto diet and you're the only person on the keto diet in your family and you're struggling with some recipes or dinner ideas. This is what I do to make my life a little more easy. I made some ground beef, and this one I put aside for me. It's just ground beef, little bit of garlic salt and chopped onion. For my son, because he is kind of picky, I made him a pizza with a flat tortilla, put some marinara sauce, some cheese, and some ground beef, and I know he's gonna like that a lot. And for my husband, because he can eat carbs, I made spaghetti for him. So these are easy ideas you can do with one meat. And if you're on the keto diet and you're struggling, you have a family, you can do it. You can make multiple meals with one meat. It's possible, trust me. So I hope you guys like these little ideas. I think it's super easy. I also can make him a quesadilla with the same thing. Um, but I told him I was going to give him pizza. I usually have pepperoni, especially for me. I can have that on my keto diet. But for some reason, I don't have that in my fridge. So I use the ground beef and I know he'll eat it. But yeah, I hope you guys like these ideas. And if you struggle, like I said, you can do it. You can do the keto diet. You can be on high fats and still be able to not cook so much and feed your family. So, bon appetit. Hopefully, you guys like these videos.